Grok 2 images, Grok 2 AI images. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Grok 2 and how you're going to be able to use this incredible software to generate yourself any type of images. Now, to access Grok 2, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to x.com and you're going to come right here on the left-hand side where it says Grok. Now, once you go over to Grok, what you're going to do over here is you're going to come here, click on Ask Anything, and we're going to write some simple prompt like draw me, and you can think of anything, like literally think of anything, any composition, any prompt that comes to mind, write it over here, and the Grok AI is going to do it for you. So you're going to write, draw me a portrait of, let's say, Alexander the Great and Napoleon fighting against, let's go with something like Herobrine. Okay, Herobrine is a Minecraft character, and the whole concept shouldn't exist of what this is about to generate, but trust me, it will do it. That is how incredible Grok is. So this is a totally random prompt that I've written for myself, and once we have turned the prompt on, we can see there's Napoleon, there's Alexander the Great, and you can see in the back we have Herobrine. How incredible is that? Okay, how amazing is that? Look at the actual finishing of the picture. Look at how well detailed it is. Look at how good the quality of lighting and picturing is. So basically, this is what you can expect of Grok 2 images. This is how you can use Grok 2 AI to generate yourself images. Now, you can also go ahead and add in more variants. So let's say with lightsabers. Okay, I just added an extra prompt in front of it. And once you do that, you're going to see that it's going to generate a new composition with Alexander the Great and Napoleon holding lightsabers, which is pretty cool. And look at how amazing that looks. So basically, this is how you're going to be using Grok 2 AI for image generation in the easiest way. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.